Tested mic 1212. I go by the name Watumoto the General, aka Social Media President, aka Massimayo, aka Worldwide Promoter. Or first time here, subscribe, leave your comment and share. Don't say me the only media. Don't say me many artists now. What I say, my say as I say about. Only be a many petty. And I'm a story. I'm don't say if I am assassin and it's why we in a bed. Smallest time you go see him. Remember on introduction. When you catch as a calcum, it's no cocoon by way nipa. It's me on I can know myself. Super! My phone who department in the show.
Yeah, Charlie Makesh, MACKESH Makesh.
But that's Makesh.
One of my mission.
No, I say,
oh, shit, dang. Why is so good?
It's a gravy as you, Makesh. One side. Makesh, remember who works with who works. And I'm another one only a year bosoma. And then I was like, Makesh, I'm in Niminiana. But on Okra Bosomano by my Ninko Mobian and said, Minimana. And then I was who share on our best.
The Somali is in senior one. We say, music industry, no. Then, all banner, be shank of Bosoma. I think, say me who know if freestyle Snibi TikTok. Yeah. I mean, say, baby, I'm a one. I'm working more down. I mean, say, home no.
Oh, so you're a
down boy. When I'm starting music,
as a showboy, go for me.
Showboy, I know they say. They can't say,
showboy.
I can't later. Showboy, the only man I say, when you're being a so.
That's a banana,
too high. To me, when I made me hate him, I'm so working more down. I'm so wow. Oh, the end.
Corona must be feedback.
One enemy was and care to me who future. Any guy and a blogger. Baby, oh, she didn't care. So, Hona, I think, say, another chin. Don't say, at least, she at least the spirit be in Asia. Osmani and Taliban, Asia. There's a money, I was from Fumi. What I say, in Asia, you engineer be one year friend alone. You're a real boy, and I don't know what your vibe will be. Charlie, do. Banana papa. See, stress be wow. Banga. Lala.
Wow. I know she.
For train you many giddy.
Giddy. And you know, Pompo ever yatum. Ever find ways to miss be a jatum.
You be jatum,
okay, when was the first time I would decide to say, there be rap among for you about me meet my EB? When was the first time?
I think 2016.
2016. A crime best, so why am I who cast as a natural?
Okay, I'm a guy be an in a bobo.
Okay,
yeah, your friend 5T.
5T. Big up to wherever you are.
I mean, you saw a rapper that. My name is Pan, I'm so rap.
One in a bobo, you know, name that. Name saw a rapper.
You saw a musician. It's one day, when I'm town, I'm flyer. Flying a ball, and I'm 5T, when me. Now 5T, they then walk away. 5T, and that's 5T, or boy, I mean, and then I'll go rapid. And I'm saying, no, did we? I can't be as baby, I would be. I'm watching. I mean, tell you. The one about 5T, now 5T about was so. I'm saying, hey, 5T out. Never many I'm saying, wow, be a heavy. No, 5T, I say, I can't tell you about. Okay. Me try wasting means being a minyan and your okay. You know, for me, was stage. Minyan. It's a no me, yes, me, so I say, now be entertainment be a Matthias. Let me see no man. Miss Yana, we find it difficult. And once I may add with me to make rock. Until Tia, Ebia, the two my comments, Benjamin, my man, post, Maturato, the too many much when you name. Generally, boy, I'm to film to get to film. I'm here any dynamic to sign on man, and I was no, I'll be natural media. I'm a true bit too, but I'm in co studio. Short to one in co studio. Okay. And see, that time, news are sorry, and I'm no man anyway. It's a co camp. Now, I got to guy be on so near friend Jeffrey. Yeah, Jeffrey. Okay. I'm also rapid. I say, I'm sorry, to me, I'm sorry, be a newbie. I'm not going to fire up and be my best sale. I'm the Jeffrey is why he's and I said, he has some bombs and me. Yes, I did, may back. and I'm telling me guy been so boom so no so enyum. I'm say hey, na say me boys ni obi a enyum o.
Obi a yes you.
Mate, you had it's a talent in Yankopon dey am e be pie. Ti mo one day na me fa phone na me free boom so na me catch say no nyum bi person me future no. That's it. So that time na me Kumasi ana na me. Okay, me ko Akimoda na me go school. Until when I'm go start music. Okay. No, so young go that guy be your friend a Diamonds Beat. Okay. So you link up and I'm say okay. Yeah, you cool. So your friend man, I dey chain na me many bra no. Oh, pentama ko record me call you. Yeah, that studio okra ma dey chain. Oh, Kofi. No ba ko na me dey call you. I dey chain ni aye nwom yensa. Wow. Yeah. Ma so. Let's no ko so ko ebi because about for sale. Because me ko ebi. Wow. Oh, yeah boy, demo at that time they demo ko na demo. Na me be share Amrado Ben. Okay. Kumasi they will be team rap no Charlie. No be there. Come on football in there. So I say link up na papa no say they will open rap and they say me sign o. Yeah to us. Oh they on to us answer. Na me ko tran hwa. Yes o ni Amrado ko boy. Ah me tran hwa che kakra. So o say ho. See no na me sua de. So on the learning process. Once I told you me rap you be say o sound the same Amrado, o sound the it's not like me copying style that is but what tete me kakra. I want not another. So what I say the other ni su kakra e the lyrics the mean we are. Me try me lyrics. The energy no. E dia so on the side. I'm starting kakra. I'm call down back. To me call any the rappers wo. To me call and big ups to DJ Bright. Okay. Putting me on. First time I'm call na me call that. First ever. What's na radio so? What's na radio so? Battle. DJ Bright. Dunyame. Battle. Oh any nyina. Sa battle no. Ah, ono man na me di din wake moda. Na me say, "Hey, is o ko tian mo." There be me ntwe ma o. Me ntwe. And I started. Wow. And nyame adom. Dia be duru he. Dia ne ma. It's all share from onset and bra shall see be senior support at the same. Support I think say indeed they may pay but eh because me baby way back maybe I'm starting in I think say far better. See you offer from Amrado befa. Amrado me nene test it but me nim say my friend dey but me nene dey. Only the sign na for friend that. Oh that me say that friend sir. Ono so friend that. Oh friend. Munye hi hello na so say dey say be I business business obi ara na kwatara dey at least ono ya we so fresh verse bi nyara dey oh verse ne dey kan ya che na sa Amrado nya so ma verse no obending say be management kasa se be ma oh na me kan Amrado management no to o mu yeni party say obi am be obi ahwe na say o pe verse afru nwa no be si na won sanya kan kan kura say already o de be ma ye maka chere ni da last time obo da meka chere no so ogen listen na minya Amrado minya we dia we nya makashi dim na me de be gina so be say me am ba so life style bia o pen dia me ba so style bia pen e wa onwia o de she obi an na sign da verse sen e de ba dia wan ka so nim say verse o de man en se hwe e ma odi ne so nte e ma o kase na o ye no kra o so nte de na mo ye ne sa bi an na say on pe kakra e bi kura ba ke expect e bi on ka bi kura sa anchire no Amrado mesro we dey me ni sa agro we mesro pa me no dey ye wa agro bebribi na me nya pani wa beti ti ba we Amrado dey mesro anya na me ni fie nkomo kura mesro yire ho we so man verse correct verse say kwa dey also aye singing correct one bi pe singing hu bi na on fa rap bi to so na ono so nyame blessing Jack Amrado menya sa otin ko na yes I say Amrado ni pa me fa so on na science unyanya verse free no yeah I think so okay but big ups to Chairman Kwame. Wow. And also okay. Big ups to go further. Big ups to you. This is a Kumasi the Hana war for some years. Okay. Thanos will be this. Thanos. A Kumasi for no a DJs and a radio host for the Sram Makesh is in the building. Put him on. Mama ni semu putun kolano na enya moshi. E na ya semu. Makesh o na wakasa ukura studio o first ever rap verse o ye to sa beat ne so kai ache nkai kra recently kra me raps bi wo ho no mo a
we kra say
this
ana vancha shatawale se ko jina wana nwe fi ne nyom wana siniama
shata de dozo mega sendra so de meto ne live
me huni nyina one don Allah wallahi akwa we o so papa one don why ni nyina market say industry no Ghana industry industry ni say
industry ni dey I think emu said any save sir ni save industry ni save like on say we kwa obese we beba because we ba wa be kata me so e bia me film na menya no we ba ye de be kwa koma we show na we me bo no ye de be ma we it we kwa no akwa ye dem akata ne to so ade ade na kwa ye no meet matters ye no ye save sir was ga we ko na we bi me bia bosoma fam se no fam na lenka bon na me soma fam papa tunde mu no so ne sa ke enso mbe hu se ye but think say generation na ba ne de odo ne wo ho
ebe se sanya mo de ni
dem
ko se mpanfo na mo ho na aye sa ro mbe wu Debi sto se bi sare tie se sare tie abrabo ni me ma me wu o so ma me beti o ye ko no bi
obi abewu
eti bi se mpanfo na mo no fa se utiri se ba bi wani me sa me wunya
ba ko obi abewu
ah debi na e de na fere asem mpanfo ni so be ne se ba kesi na me sa ko wunya mpanfo no ba kesi mo ye juma ba kesi o ba TikTok how many months how many years
I think we were TikTok 2 years or so. Yeah. 2 years. TikTok almost chance na me say come join it. Wana me say my mass we dey mass there e mass ya ni ja be hu ye na be ani abe join kakra.
Yo hobby. O buy also support me to sing.
Also support me. Okay, thank you.
So for now song send over one thing.
I think 5 or so.
5. Then you promote this year.
Zia me promote Kofi Babwani ba me be release new one bia me be film feature me guy me friend that action also. Yeah. But for now they might release it out now. Me na me promote Kofi Babwani.
Kofi Babwani no story need to sing.
Story is not about me. Okay. Obi a dreadlocks, you different mindset I when you dey man. Then so I say and I mean person me try almost say so obi a dreadlocks I know interest say Babwani and I so it me no me be say we live in a world of critics when negativity is a big fish at the say why your dreadlocks you show when him keke but suspect again I say I can become you who becomes better than a doctor the who street is so enough you know be ira why so makuma fit a change no you pushing the grind up 10 to I dey me we say me na man fall
Adia oh you cause
yes me na man fa me hu you yes ma fa
because of you know what trend here
ready ni
dia agro kromfo bi agina obi kromfo na nkasa e ko boa
mami ka bi last time na me ko try the store ana sister bi o ho ma bo ama eni mu nyina ai ana wo ka say akromfo na to share ne so area mu ho na otena
na e bo no
ana sister ni bisa ne say na nipa no hu na bi hu na say mami hu no aba say why dread die e ho na sister ni gina wo say mu amaya dread ni so de mu be ku yan man feel ko na ka me reply na asama ba I say mu amaya dread le rasta fu mu be ku yan
makuma ku bi na ejimi o de fra nyina
na me say asemu
enti wo ma ahwefo ni nyina tiefo nyina wo say sansam na mentality na wa man for that mindset about dreadlocks people no entesa because why you was na chemo kanyibo yi no mo beso boko but we as you rasta
onu kwa no try
you see the grace na hu chen omo trust it
yeah me started dread na me support say be am dread na but say o de me ni bp na
o ma me
so hwe me ya hu se me ne correct video me kwa me bani afi anse etere ne de hairstyle ne keke na mama
ya mumura family support me to say mommy and papi
People di ono di no oni misisi ya one side any me guy be friend di do on so go jom support take and no live we team win na squad on
big house for the love and two smallest time
smallest and check cry
cash mom versus ni me rap versus ni bi na because you be school and check kwa na ye ni ko me versus ni bi
me say me di mu first mo nya me virgin me ho nsem mo ka ne dazing mo se mo mpema sem so ba se drop ya mo ha mo fa ne landing mo tie me vibration ma ye ne ye mo sa testing asodi bo de be ni today for grind a watch collection some say rap on you taste calendar fe de mo make mu days mo copy me na ka location ya mo be ye mu paste amrado ho me na timi mu me jano mato ho agemagu obi alone be living me star one hwan koda be yimi mu be ye de hanye treat fair me nya mo nest ma take care e band rapper mo da reserve fan kwa you know the play fair 2024 me ne mo rapper mo se mo rapper so me pm on fire Manchester Daka me turn the same man I wo beje jogwa no metwe satire anta Charlie you guys ever rap the ade beche wa ha o yeah so
boys are swide you go by the name Makesh social media handles
ne Makesh baby MACKESH Makesh MECKESH baby
Makesh what call school where we started from here
school me started me call Eastern Region when I'm cautious but me mama woman my South Central South started school okay na mo fat okay so when I'm got na LNT school complex when I'm in HS at the beginning I'm call Akimoda
back to Akimoda
so when I'm
it's a one I'm ever so ball
na so when I'm starting music into all the year
windy mo is a boru Akimoda idea boy Makesh for now say Makesh Nabo shoes number being ain't for the influence one and corner
okay say na my me
okay handles this
me ba me so me the number so okay
0552
73 38
36
0552 73 38 36
and you Makesh friend one friend one shows boo mon frère mon no be perform what you come na say nye bia oba be se ho no ba be se ho no manu mu hia what you come na say e kwa be possible be duro de emfa mo de mon frère number just call the number and I say mon call social media na so mon call hit no Makesh na mo ni komo bia be boko aso da Makesh e de na o catch Ghana ahwefo nyina de na o expect from mo e de na o pese o nyama on ne dey
yeah me support like support na ni nyam sisi ya what you say support na because data na dey obeto wait ma ko hwe video bia ba o hwe me so me dey na o share kakra na ma other people ni so humi a I think say fa go no what like what to me cry as what the boy at time and what to me cry that's support na massive support na
Tanoso for baby I would support to say
support na yeah I think say me ba me no was house interest
okay I think as my
Tanoso Titanos no I think say no so no
and you say any trap first video bi ho
e be trap bi
ni puli o munyina ba
no
mu say Makesh 2 days
yeah
I go by the name Watumoto the General one-on-one with the baddest rapper out here some normal rapper say Amrado hum tinimu onya smart on want ma theater Amrado hum tinimu ti hu na hu Amrado what I say odo na wo ma Amrado no da bi nso no so en say hwe I think one say odo Amrado na odi bi eto abranti so enye hwe because oni Amrado na assign I think come on say I'm hoping say one day Amrado e be job best na yet I think come on say
yeah
out. Let me answer.